We want to draw a diagram to represent the inequality x is less than or equal to 4. We're asked to shade the required region. For x is less than or equal to 4, we need to draw the line x is equal to 4. We draw the line x equals 4. It's a vertical line through 4. It needs to be drawn solid because the inequality is less than or equal to. We can see this is a solid line, and of course we should label it. If we look to the right of the line, the x values are greater than 4. To the left, the x values are less than 4. So we want the area to the left of the line, and since the line is solid, this shows that we include the value x is 4 as well.